Welcome to the Avto LNG refueling demonstration video, where we'll show you just how fast, safe and simple it is to refuel a dual fuel truck with liquefied natural gas. When the driver arrives at the facility, his first step is to put on gloves and a face mask. Next, the tank and hose connections are cleaned with compressed air to remove any dirt, debris or ice. The cleaned fill coupling is connected to the tank. The vent coupling is then connected to the tank. The driver then swipes his access card to enter the control station and presses start on the control panel. The tank's now filling with LNG at a rate equivalent to 95 litres of diesel per minute. For accuracy, the LNG is measured in kilograms. This eliminates any temperature and density variance. The refueling pump stops automatically once the tank is full. The tank now contains almost 147 kilograms of LNG. That's equivalent to 200 litres of diesel. The driver now presses stop and enter on the control panel to print a receipt. The driver now disconnects the couplings from the tank. He cleans the fill coupling with compressed air to remove any ice before returning it to its receptacle. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, a full LNG tank and a dual fuel truck ready to hit the road, reducing its owner's fuel costs and cutting CO2 emissions. To find out more about LNG